Hey guys, today we're going to be opening some Pokemon packs. First, we have a Paradox Rift. Okay. Oh, go to card. Okay, here we go. Okay, water type energy. Water type energy. Trubbish. Crystal. Onyx. Fiddle. Orthworm. Toadsquirrel. Screamtail. Reverse Hollow X2, X2. Reverse Hollow Ninebull. And a Chiyu. Okay, now we're going to be opening the Charizard EX Premium Collection. Here. Let's start opening. Hope I don't damage any cards. Okay. Okay. I will show you guys the prototypes in just a second. Okay, here's the Charmeleon prototype. Here is the Charmeleon prototype. Here is the Charizard EX prototype. Then here is the Charmander prototype. Okay. We have, okay, here we have an Obsidian Flames. Let's open it. Here we go. Zigzagoon. Scyther, Meltan, Charcadet, Pupitar, Togetic, Ninetales, Reverse Hollow Bowsweet, Reverse Hollow Town Store, an NTI, and a basic Psychic Energy. Next pack, right over here. Here we also have an Obsidian Flames, and let's open it. Dolive, Temple, Surskit, Numel, Skarmory, wait,
Can I see it?
Skarmory, Espeon, Torpedo, Reverse Hollow Eevee, Reverse Hollow Herder, and a Thundurus. Oh, and a basic Dark type energy. Okay. Next pack. Now we have a Paldy Evolved. We have a Pikachu. A Slackoth. A Waltrue, a Fuecoco, Oh, also don't mind my little brother. A mouse hold. Sentient Titan. A Corviknight, I already have one of these. A reverse hollow Skiploon. A reverse hollow Bravery Charm. A Palmot. A basic Dark Energy, and the code card. Next pack. We also have a Paldea Evolved.
Hey, Marky.
Yeah?
Dada.
Cool.
I also have a better one.
Okay. We have a Tarantula, a Murkrow, a Misdrevious, finally I said it, a Sneasel, a Toxicroak, or an Oranguru, an Electrode, a Sparse reverse hollow, a reverse hollow Palmot, and a Luxray, and a basic fighting type energy. Okay, next pack. Scarlet and Violet.
Hey, Marky. You just got off them.
Okay, here is a Chansey, a rare candy, a Fidough, a Muck, a Vilvion, whatever it's called, Dachbond, whatever it's called, a reverse hollow Blitzy, a reverse hollow Fuko, a Dondozo, a Rotom, and a basic fire energy. Next pack, also a Scarlet and Violet. Let's open. Here we have a Wattrel, a Zangoose, a Krogunk, a Dendony, a Youngster, a Flaffy, a Blissey, a reverse hollow Slowpoke, a reverse hollow Chansey, a King Embit, and a basic grass energy. Okay. Now then here's this. With this. And then here are these. What are these? Oh, here are the sleeves. Bye guys. Please like and subscribe.